So today we'll write a program to find the factorial of a number. So we must have heard about factorial, uh, 5 factorial or 10 factorial in our college days. So let's see how we can write a program to find the factorial of a number. Let's create a Java class. Class factorial. Okay. Let's create a main method, PSVM. So before we start a program, let's see, for those of you who do not know what does factorial mean, let's say if I take 5 factorial, it means it should be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, okay, which is equal to 120. Similarly, if it is 6 factorial, it starts from 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so let's take the example. Let's say we are storing it in a int variable. Int a equals to, let's say we want to take for 5 factorial. Okay, and now what we can do is we have to take a for loop where we will run it from 1 to 5. Okay, and we need to keep on multiplying with uh, keep on multiplying the values. Okay, let's say we start the index from int I equals to 1, then I less than equals to 5, because for 5 factorial we need to start either from 5 and go till 1, or go from 1 till 5. That is the reason we are giving less than equal to. Then we give I plus plus. Now this one is I plus plus. Now, so what we have to do is, in the first iteration where I value is 1, we need to store that value of I, and then in the second iteration when we get 2, that 1 should get multiplied with 2. Similarly, in the third iteration, 1 into 2, that is 2, should be stored somewhere, and then again we have to multiply with 3. Similarly, in the fourth iteration, we should be multiplying 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, so for that reason, what we will do is, we'll take a variable called fact equals to fact into I. Okay, so what this one will do, so let me declare this fact variable int fact equals to 1. So what this fact into I will do, for example, the first value is 1, so fact will store a value of 1, and then in the next iteration when I value is 2, then it will be 1 into 2, because fact value is already having 1. And in the third iteration, in the second iteration, we already had fact value as 1 and we got I value as 2. So 1 into 2, 2 is stored in this fact variable. So for the third iteration, we'll get 2 into 3. 3 value will come from this for loop. Okay, and that's how this loop will go until I value is less than equal to 5, and after that we can print it. We can say the value of factorial is, and we can pass this variable fact. Okay, let's do some formatting. So let's see, here instead of 5 we can give a also, because a is the variable which is storing the value of the factorial which we want to print. So let's run it. So we got the value as 120. Similarly, if let's say if you want to print for 6 factorial, then again the same logic. Let's run it. So the value is 6720. Okay. So this was a small program to check the factorial of a number. Hope you like it. Thank you.